snowing to raining. Y'all hear that? I don't know if y'all can hear the rain, but it's going in the drain right here. This is how it looks over here. Y'all remember that spot right here? It was snow all up in here. I can't even took a picture of this and take a small video of that. I don't think I posted. I think I did post it. Yeah. Yeah. I don't want to be out here too long because it was thundering earlier. I just want to come out here and see this. It was snow all up in this tree right here. All on the ground right there. All up in there. But yeah. This is what it looked like now. Remember all this was covered in white just like almost a week ago? Monday? Yeah. I'll see y'all later. Bye y'all.